For section 5.3, the homework number 1, given the sine of an angle A as -5/13, A is in the third quadrant, and we are going to find sine of 2A. From the given information, the sine is y/r by definition, and an angle A is in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, both x and y are negative. To find the x value, we can use the Pythagorean theorem, x squared plus y squared equals r squared. And for this case, we have y equals -5, r equals 13. Recall r cannot be negative number, so we have to keep r as positive number. To find the x, rearrange the expression here to be x equals square root of r squared minus y squared. And since A is in the third quadrant, x has to be a negative sign. And then we're going to replace the r with the value 13, quantity squared, subtracted by -5 quantity squared. Simplify the numbers to be negative of the square root 169 minus 25, or negative square root of 144, which is -12. Now we get the values x equals -12, y equals -5, and r equals 13. And next we're gonna get to the point to find the sine of double angle 2A. Use the formula. Sine of 2A is 2 sine A cosine A. So we're gonna put together the value of sine A and cosine A from x, y, and r that we found. On the side notes, since x -12, y -5, and r is 13, and we know that the sine A is given as -5/13, which is y/r. To find the cosine A is, by definition, is x/r, or -12/13. So from these two numbers, we're gonna bring it into the main part of the problem to find the value of sine double A, or sine of 2A. So 2 times the value of sine A is -5/13. The value of cosine A is -12/13. And then simplify the number, and we will get the value as 120/169 as a result for number 1.